Hello everyone. Welcome to Xinxiang Kaisen Industrial Corporation. Today, let's follow the camera to see all of our workshops. Established since 1990, with plenty of successful experience in design, produce, assemble service chains for the more and more valuable customers, our target is always to build up customers' core business system and a healthy relationship. The smart PLC controlling guarantees the stable performance of the whole block press system. Our press machines are suitable for not only salt and various additives, but also the different kind of metal powders. We only use special alloy and hard steel as the base production materials to guarantee the quality. Our workers are all strict in training and make every sculpture precisely and professionally. As a factory with long history, we have complete and patent tooling techniques. Welding, testing, painting are all comply with the sophisticated requests. All of the spare parts, devices, molds, control boxes, switches, cylinders are designed by our professional engineers or famous colleague institute. Experienced workers, the traditional techniques and core elements of the equipment are well passed on year by year. In the last 5 years, our products have been exporting to more than 20 countries and areas. We are always ready to provide our better equipment lines and services to more friends all over the world. Welcome to Kaisen. We will be your reliable business and strategy partner in China.